So I'm back with another haul video. And so I've got Close to My Heart, Stampin' Up, and Creative Memories up here. And I don't remember what I've ordered. So I've actually waited until they all came. So it's taken maybe a week and a half, a couple weeks or something. So yeah, I don't remember. So I'm gonna open them on camera for you. The Close to My Heart literally came, I think, Thursday. So we'll start there since it's the box that's on top. It's gonna be quick. I don't remember getting a bunch of stuff, but I got a couple things. Let's see, what did I get? Looks like I got 4 things in a catalog. So this is the Here and There Stamp and Thin Cuts. So in case nobody's seen some changes with Close to My Heart, the packaging is a little different. So the back used to have a snap closure. Now it's just an envelope that slides in itself. If you get the set together, your stamps come like they always did, and the clear acrylic, and then they still have the styrofoam. And then on a magnet are your thin cuts. And if you look at the stamps, there's here's the different arrows, right? And then on here you can tell which arrows, they're all the same sizes. They're all the same size as these. That way, you know, they cut all the different ones. So there's nothing on it that you can't cut out with those thin cuts. So that's that. And you can also tell that from the front how they'll cut out. So, just so you know. So I got those. This paper pack is called, let me tell you exactly what it was. I got the Blue Skies Paper Bundle 2. So there was a bunch of different options. You could get it with just the paper and the cardstock that matched, or just the paper that was printed, or you could get like extra tone on tone or something. Like, there was all these different options. So I went with the coordinating paper cardstock situation and the actual printed paper, and then it comes with these stickers on it. So since it doesn't show you, I'll take everything out. So this is just, it's the one sticker sheet, and then it's 2 of every 12 by 12 printed sheet, and they're double-sided. So there's those 2, and then it's pink. In the back of this one is just a grid paper. And the next one is this. And then that's the back of that. And then it's that. And that has like a little saying at the bottom. Yellow. And then there's words. It's kind of cool kaleidoscope thing, and a floral. So that's all the printeds that are in the Blue Skies bundle. I think that the last day for that is today. I believe it wasn't going until June. I think it was like a special for the month of May or something. I also, because I ordered, and they do that quarterly catalog thing now, so I have the May and June version of their catalog, so I'll be going through that and see what they have. Let's just throw them together. This is, I don't know what this one is. Oh, this is the Mixin paper pack. So Close to My Heart is doing a couple of different things now that I kind of like. You can get different shades of Mixin paper that coordinates with different packs of paper that they have. And these are all the same, so it's double-sided too. And you can still use this strip almost like as a washi. So these are just different like tone-on-tone papers. Yeah, so that's what these are. And there's no, each of them has a name, but it doesn't say on here, it just says Mixin. And those happen to mix in with the Seize the Day pack. So that was the last paper pack that I got. This was really cute. Kind of summery, beachy. So one day we will all be able to go to beaches like normal. And when we can, we will. And we'll have paper for it. So that's all those. Oh, and that was the sticker sheet, by the way. So that was the Close to My Heart order. Very excited about that. Next is Stampin' Up. And I think I only got a stamp set and a paper pack, if I remember right. So why they need to send it in this massive box, I'll never know. Looks like I got a couple things. Told you, I forgot. So this is the Capture the Good stamp set. It is still their cling foam, so they're not see-through. It's red rubber. This back here peels off. If you've never had their stamps before, it peels off, and then this is sticky. So it just clings. It's not sticky like glue sticky, but it'll cling to an acrylic block. And you just punch them out of here, and they have like a DVD case, and they'll all fit in here. They don't stay punched in this. And then on the back of where you peeled off that paper, they send you these. And what this is like a sticker, so you'll know when you look at the back of the cling foam that that's the stamp that's gonna stamp out. So, and they give you instructions, so if you've never done it, there are instructions inside. But yeah, so it's cute. I'll link a video. The reason I bought this was there was a consultant that I followed for a very long time, my pink stamper. She did a card with that and the white Stampin' Up ink, and she embossed it, I believe. So cute. So cute. So I had to buy it. And I believe it is now gone. I think that May was the last month. When did I order this? Yeah, May was the last month. So I got that. And then I got 3 paper packs. This one, these are all their Silhouette Designer Series type paper. And it doesn't say what the names of them are. I believe this is the Follow Your Art Designer Series. I think that's what this one is. So they have some really nice paper lately, and they were discontinuing a bunch. So, and you get quite a few sheets in a pack, and then they're 2-sided as well. I won't flip through them all, but you get the idea. Yeah, so I got that. This one is this paper designer series set of paper. So I thought this was cute. So it has like brayers and paintbrushes and doodles and crayons and glue guns. And just like an acid wash kind of look. Ribbon, tape, that kind of thing. So I just thought those were really cute. I will probably take these out of the plastic that they come in and put them in something else for storage. Just because it's easier if you only use a couple sheets. And then the last one is the Come Sail Away Designer Series. Can't even get this one open. I love all things nautical and beachy. So this one has compasses on the front. Are these double-sided? And these are double-sided as well. So you can kind of see. These are much harder to hold with the plastics. So they have a couple different ones, almost like a seersucker on there. More compasses. Lighthouses. So that's what that is. So that's cute. I can't wait to use that. Last one is Creative Memories. All right. Creative Memories came out with a few transportation type things last month. So they had airplanes, cars, and trains. And along with that, they had different border punches that went with their border system. So one of the ones I got is the On the Road, and it's little cars. So I got that. Oh, and if you're ordering, it's probably while supplies last. If you need extra masks, they're, I think, $1 or $2 or something for a mask. Reusable. Pretty cool. This is the die cuts, 10 laser die cuts. And it goes with the automobiles one, because that's the only set I bought. I may get the airplanes later. I haven't decided. And then these are the stickers. And the last is the paper. The printed paper. And I won't take theirs out since they put a picture on the front. So that's it. That is the haul for the month of May. I may do one in June. I don't know. We'll see. I do know that the new stuff that came out for Creative Memories for June is really, really, really cute. There's even a flip-flop border punch. So if you have a border system, be ready June 1st. You gotta get it. I don't have, I'll actually link my Facebook page and I'll post the pictures on it. So if you want to see them, all those start on the 1st. And they have a 4th of July pack coming out, and what goes with the flip-flops is like a beach, no, I won't say beachy, like pool summery type theme. So yeah, that's what that is. FYI, I got Invisalign like 2 days ago. So if I sound a little different, I'm still getting used to this. But other than that, and they don't hurt, and it was an easy process. So any questions you want to ask, feel free to put them in the comments. I don't mind talking about my Invisalign. All right, so that is it. I will be making some shirts probably today. I don't know that I'm going to do a video. I might do one because I haven't done one in a while. So I might do that because I think I'm going to design it in Design Space, and it's all letters, and one of the ones I'm going to do has like a line through. So I may do a video for that so you can see how it's done. So I'm doing that. So be checking out my Facebook page for the finished product. If you're still in quarantine, keep enjoying the extra crafting time. If you're not, enjoy the weather. It's beautiful outside. Get some air. And have some crafting time. So happy crafting.